Hi viewers, it's raining very heavily in the Sylhet city of Bangladesh, and right now I'm going to my hostel from my university. So I actually at first kept this mobile safe from the raining, but suddenly a new thinking came to my mind to have a video of this heavy raining. So I brought my phone again and I started this video to capture. This is my way to my student hostel and it's heavily raining. You see, I already made my clothes wet with the rainwater, and what can I say? It's around 4 days heavy rainfall has started, and Bangladesh is expecting, actually this part of Bangladesh is expecting some kind of flood this month as the rain is not stopping. Most of the river water have crossed the right level.